Hello po, good day. Ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo Switch OLED brand new. 512 gig po natin. So this order is going to, saan ba to? Surala, South Cotabato. Now, yung unit po ninyo, naka-dual boot na rin po siya. It has yung ating jailbreak mode and legit mode. Currently, in-access muna natin yung ating jailbreak mode. Automatic na rin po siya. Every time that we turn on normally yung ating switch, ang una niyang i-access ay ang jailbreak mode first. So wait na lang din natin na mag-load. SD card niyo, inserted na rin po siya sa inyong switch unit. Serial ending in 7254. Now, these are the games naman that we were able to install yung mga requested games ninyo. So, for 512 gig, marami na rin po tayo mga games na na-install. So, marami na rin po kayo malalarong mga games. Pakita ko lang din because we are currently in our jailbreak mode. If you're going to check rin po yung inyong serial number, hindi po siya lalabas dito kasi one of our ban prevention is minamask po natin yung serial number during jailbreak mode. So makikita po ninyo na naka-00 po ang inyong serial. You don't need to worry naman kasi makikita nyo rin yung inyong serial once you've accessed your legit mode. And pakita ko lang yung testing ng ating buttons. So pair ko lang siya first. Paired wireless key. Let's start with our analog. So left analog natin. Right, up, down. No ghosting or drifting. And with our right analog. So same thing, no ghosting or drifting po. And yung buttons, ZR, ZL, LR, plus minus. ABXY, directional buttons, SR, SL ng ating left Joy-Con, analog button, and yung ating screenshot. And then SR, SL naman ng right Joy-Con and our analog button. So all buttons are good. Touchscreen, all good po. And our home button. Now sa album folder po natin, andito naman yung ating mga homebrew applications. So, turn off lang natin yung ating switch and then this time, access naman natin yung ating second boot which is yung ating legit mode. So, before we turn on yung ating unit po, we just need to wait lang din ng mga around 10 to 15 seconds to make sure na yung mochik natin sa loob is totally na turned off na rin. So, balik ko lang yung Joy-Con muna natin. By the way, meron na rin pong naka-install na tempered glass, free tempered glass for you. And we've also added a freebie pouch na rin. So, turning on. Then once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down nyo lang po agad yung ating volume down button. Ayan. Para lumabas tayo sa ating Hecate menu selection. And then this time, we can choose our legit mode Sysland. So sa ating legit mode, dito po tayo pwede mag-access na ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if meron po kayong mga physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. And while waiting for our switch to load, load na pala. Ayan. So dahil nasa legit mode naman po tayo ngayon, sa album folder po natin, hindi na po natin makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, pag meron na po kayong mga nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. Now, gaya po ng sinabi ko kanina, yung serial po ninyo, dito nyo po makikita during your legit mode access. So, serial ending in 7254, which is the same po dito sa sticker sa likod ng ating switch unit. Okay. Now, pakita ko lang din yung inclusions ng ating package. So, of course, complete accessories that comes with the box for our brand new OLED 512 gig package. So, we have here yung ating charger, HDMI, nasa likod naman yung hand clip and our side strap. Ito. And of course, yung ating charging dock. So, okay na po yung inyong switch. Bali, papack na lang din namin ito and we'll also send separate photos of the other inclusions that we have along with your package. And pawait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po, Anati Gaming.